Easter Rising was a rebellion set up with the Irish Republican Brotherhood, and it was a rebellion set up in the hope that it would lead to a free state.
From April 24th to April 30th.
And people such as James Connolly and Padraig Pearse were involved.
Is slán Fhorógra den March an cúgal déag de bhí an bharrte.
Proclamation Day, I think people across schools can now realise that we all are equal and we all can stand together.
The proclamation of a new generation is the reimagining of a proclamation today in 2016.
Schools across the country are rewriting the proclamation for today.
I think it's going to make kids more aware again from where they came from.
Lá an Fhorógra bé deise goin go léir ar nóireacht de phlé.
Proclamation Day, I would love to be a musical recital.
A play for friends and family to come along and see what now in 2016 our generation is into.
I like for the flag to be raised above our school and for the students in the school to read out our proclamation for new generation.
My cousin's school, their art class is doing a project on the 7 signatories.
My little sister's play school, they're having a play, so all my family will be going there for Proclamation Day as well.
Buin fi sé leis na dáltaí agus mic léon go léir an éireann ó bhain scoil go hallscoil.
But I think it's important to remember where the Irish people came from and where we stand and how we got to where we are today.
And hereby claims the allegiance of every Irishman and Irishwoman. The Republic guarantees religious and civil liberty, equal rights